Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Conrad from the summer I Turned Pretty. So first we're going to get started with the hair. We're going to curve this line up, down, and over. We'll start back in the middle, curving this up, down, and across, making that slightly smaller. From the center now we're going to curve this line further up towards the top of our page. And then from here, just curving this back around, down, and over, connecting that. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the middle, we're going to arch this line across towards the left. We'll do the same thing as we move over on the right. On the right hand side now, we're going to curve this out for the hair, bringing that back up. We'll do the same on the left, bringing this over and then back up again. Let's close off the face now. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line around, flattening that out as we come in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, curving this around and then blending that back in together. Let's draw on the ears now. So we're going to draw in a half circle on both sides, lining them up at roughly the same height. Now from here on the top, let's curve this line over and out. And then underneath in the middle, we're just going to curve this line back around and down. Let's continue to close off our hair now. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We're going to arch this up slightly as we come over on the right. We're going to move further up on the left hand side, curving this back across and in. And then again on the right, arching this around and through towards the middle. Now on the top here, we're going to curve this line up and down in the center. And then on the right hand side, arching this around and back down. Now from here, curving this up, down, and over. And then on the left hand side, just curving this over and across slightly. Now from here, let's draw in the eyebrow. So we're going to curve this line across on both sides underneath our hair. On the top, we're going to curve this back across and in. And then on the bottom, we're just going to curve that back up towards the hair strand there. Now from here for the eye, we're going to arch this around, bringing this all the way around and then back in. And then we'll do the same on the right, bringing this around and back in. Let's thicken up the top of the eye. So we're going to curve this around, blending that back in as we come down. And now in the top, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. And then we're going to color in the eye black. Now in the center for the nose, we're going to curve this around and down. And then for our smile, just arching this over and across. Let's draw in the neck now. So we're going to draw in a small arch line right in the center. For the shoulders, we're going to curve this over and out for the t-shirt. Stepping down, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height on both sides. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Let's move up now, arching this over and in to close off our sleeves. And then moving up towards the top, we're just going to again draw in another arch line. Now let's move down, drawing in the shorts. We're going to curve this line over. We'll draw in a straight line. And then we're going to bring this line across and then back up. Now from here for the shorts, let's draw in two diagonal lines coming out on both sides. And then we're going to curve this across on the bottom. And then we're going to bring this back up and in towards our t-shirt on the side. For the pockets now, let's arch this line up on both sides, creating a curved line. And then from here, from the bottom of the shorts, we're going to arch this line over. Let's draw on our hands. So for the thumb, we're going to curve this line up. For our first finger, we're going to curve this line back in towards the top. Again, moving over, replicating that. And then again, one more time for the pinky, just curving this back around and in. And then from here, we're just going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes in towards the sleeve of our shirt. Now let's draw in our leg. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on both sides. For the shoe, we're going to curve this line down, up, and over. And then we're going to bring this line up on a slight diagonal to close off the leg. We have the top of the shoe here, so we're going to start from this line, curving this back around and over towards the inside. And then now from here, stepping up one more time, just curving this across. And that is it. That's how you draw Conrad from The Summer I Turned Pretty. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.